The Kalamera KRC-40DZB wine cooler dual zone with blue interior light and temperature memory function. The Kalamera KRC-40DZB wine cooler dual zone with blue interior light and temperature memory function is truly worth its salt and then some. The wine cooler features French doors that open in the middle and are made from highly durable stainless steel with multi-layered glass inserts that are transparent. Furthermore, the cooler occupies a compact area as a freestanding appliance, but it can also fit under the counter in your bar area or kitchen. You can accommodate up to 40 standard bottles of whatever wine you like. You can store the bottles properly on their sides on 14 shelves made from beech wood. Hence, air circulates in an even manner to perfectly chill every beverage bottle. In addition, there's blue LED lighting that illuminates the interior of the Kalamera KRC-40DZB wine cooler dual zone with blue interior light and temperature memory function. This helps you show off your beverage collection clearly and provides a glow as well. The user-friendly controls allow you to turn the control panel display light and the interior lighting on and off easily, display temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit, and set both the two zones to the correct temperature. Now for a few pros. This cooler is able to accommodate even odd-sized beverage bottles. It has user-friendly controls, and the French glass door is aesthetically appealing. Now for a con. It can be quite pricey.